Hello, Miss Golden Girl here, and it's Thursday, and it's time for me to do my laundry. So I've sorted my piles. One pile that's missing is my whites. So I've got 5 loads of laundry to do today. I have some, um, how would I describe these? I guess some outfits here that I wore for my birthday celebration, which was last week. That's this pile. I purchased these 2 outfits for my celebrating my 72nd birthday. This pile right here is my work clothes, my slacks, my vest and sweater. And this here is a colored pile of all colored clothes. And this pile right here are my work shirts. So I wash all these separately. These are separate piles, and then my whites. So I'm going to get busy. I got this extra pile here because I don't want to wash these with my coloreds. I like to wash them together to keep the colors nice and bright, and then I air dry them. Just think, I've had these outfits now for 2 years. Although I wouldn't say they get a whole lot of wear, but they're my summer clothes. I don't buy a lot of clothes. I just buy a few pieces and wear those. And then when they get outdated or old, then I replace them. That's the life of a golden girl that's age 74. This is the guest laundry room at the hotel. There's 2 dryers and there's 2 washers. And I only utilize 1 washer because I like to be considerate if anyone else wants to do their laundry too. So I use this 1 wash machine, and then I will just do 1 load after another. These are my laundry supplies. I put some pine sol in all my loads except for my whites. And in my whites, I put bleach with the Tide detergent and the Downy fabric softener. This is my bag of laundry money. Now, they just recently added that you could do this pay range, but I'm all for the quarters. So I budget $20 a week for laundry. It's $3 to wash and $2.50 to dry. And all that I dry are my whites, the load of whites. All my other loads, I let them air dry. So if I don't use all $20, depending on what I have going on, then it's just a surplus and it'll stay. So maybe when I have 5 weeks in a month, that I'll have enough to cover that. All right, Thursday is laundry day. I'm off Wednesday night and Thursday night. So let me get started with these loads since I've got some extra loads this week. Miss Golden Girl here, the life of a seasonal worker. Here is the changer, and I'm going to convert some money into quarters. I got $23. I got some tips. And so if I get some tips on my shift, maybe for, delivering some towels to a guest room or getting them their car, I may get some tips. Last week, I had some big tippers. So last week, 2 guests each gave me $20 for delivering some items to their room. And this week, I got $3 for delivering some items to a guest room. So, helps the laundry budget. I don't expect any tips, being a night auditor.